Here's a great deal on a 2013 Chevrolet Equinox. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.